Hey, what's going on? Dan Bradley here and welcome inside my vsevolution review. Now in this review we're going to be checking out exactly what vsevolution is all about. We're going to be going through the software, taking a look at the funnel, taking a look at the upgrades they're going to be offering to you, and of course talking about the custom bonuses that I've put together for those of you who decide to pick this up through the link down below this YouTube video. Now, if this is your first time on the channel, make sure you smash that subscribe button and click the bell to be notified about upcoming product launches, information, giveaways, and so much more. Now, without further ado, let's take a look at this software. Now, vsevolution, what they're claiming that this does is it's going to find you free, trending, targeted traffic for any niche. Now, what you're going to see here down on the link below this video is you're going to see this page here. Okay, this is my review page. You're going to get a little bit more information about the product and what they're claiming to be able to do. Now, what they're claiming to be able to do here is to get you into those lucrative spots, which of course is first page of Google and first page of YouTube. Now, here's the thing. This alone, vsevolution alone, is not going to get you page 1 on Google or page 1 on YouTube for a decent keyword, okay? You may be able to use the software and really discover some keywords that have low competition. They also probably have low search volumes as well. So to really get on top of page 1, you're going to need to understand a lot more about the overall Google algorithm and how it's actually ranking content. And that's one of the things that I've put together in the bonuses, which I'm going to go through in just a minute. Now, what you're able to do with vsevolution is two things. First of all, you're going to be able to find the keywords, okay? And then you're going to be able to actually create videos for them if you want to, okay? And you can actually create videos from website URLs, okay? You can copy different bits of text from there. You can add in your audios. You can do a voiceover, all that sort of good stuff, and then load that up there as well. Now, in just a moment, I'm going to actually hand over to the product vendor, and they're going to give you a full demo of exactly how vsevolution works. But before we do that, I want to first talk to you about those custom bonuses. Now, I know you may have seen vsevolution. If you're on this video, you probably already heard of it, and you're looking to see where the best bonuses are going to come from. Now, as always, we put together a huge collection of custom bonuses that are only available exclusively when you pick up vsevolution through the link down below this YouTube video. They are not available through any other affiliate. Bonus number 1 that we're going to be offering to you guys is the complete list of Google ranking factors. Now, as I say, using vsevolution, this is going to help you find some low competition keywords. You're going to be able to create some of these videos, which is going to help as well, because it is easier to rank in YouTube than it is to rank in Google. But if you are serious about ranking content, you want to do launch jacking for affiliate products, you want to rank your own products to sell, maybe you want to go after a specific niche and maybe even target affiliate products or your own products within that, maybe ranking an e-com store, then you really need to understand the entire picture, okay? You need to understand everything that Google is looking at. So inside this bonus, you're going to get the exact ranking lists or the algorithm lists of what Google is looking at. So you'll see on page, off page, all the areas that Google is measuring, so you can make sure that you tick all those boxes and have the best chance possible of pushing yourself up higher in the search results. Now, no software or training can guarantee you page 1 results or first position results, okay? So no matter what you read on any sales page, no one can guarantee you page 1 results. But what it will do is if you take this bonus and you're using vsevolution, it is going to push you up higher in the search results. And every position higher you can get to, that's going to be additional traffic that's going to be coming through to you, okay? So it definitely is a very worthwhile thing, but bear in mind, there's no magic button here, guys. There's no magic button that's going to give you page 1 rankings. Bonus number 2 then is alternative traffic strategies. So maybe you want to promote a product as an affiliate. Perhaps you've even got your own product and you're struggling to get people through to it. Now, using vsevolution, using these bonuses and using all of the Google ranking information that I'm going to give you is going to help you with organic traffic. Okay, this is free traffic, organic traffic. That's going to help you as well. But if you really want to make good money, you need to understand the alternative traffic strategies. So in this bonus, okay, this is video training. It's over 3 hours of content. We're going to go through 20 alternative traffic strategies that you can use. Now, some of these are free strategies. Some of these are paid ads based strategies, but you can use these strategies to basically drive traffic into your offers. Now, if you've ever done anything online before, one of the biggest stumbling blocks is in traffic. But when you pick up vsevolution, we're going to give you that bonus that's basically going to make that just go away. All right. Bonus number 3, we're going to be talking about Pinterest. Now, Pinterest is a fantastic platform. First of all, there's not a huge amount of competition, which is great. Second of all, it is full of buyers. These are people that actually spend money. Okay, we've had some great results using Pinterest traffic, and in this bonus, we're going to show you how to do that. Okay, you can actually create a tsunami of buyers without you having to be at the computer all day, every day, without you having to sit there and create content continuously. Okay, so that's what we're going to show you in bonus number 3, which is pretty epic. And then bonus number 4, we're going to give you a huge library of royalty-free assets. So you're going to get high-quality 4K stock videos, royalty-free images, backgrounds, icons, transparent elements, all of the stuff that you need to create high-quality video, ads, web pages, opt-in forms, funnels, all of that content, all of the visual content. Okay, so if you look at this web page here, you can see all of the visual content that we use. Okay, you're going to need all of these. You're going to need the backgrounds. Okay, you're going to need icons. All right, all of this stuff that we use here to create these beautiful looking pages, we're going to give you access to our entire library. Now, this is constantly updating. Okay, we add new content 2, 3, 4 times a month, so it's constantly updating with new stuff that we actually purchased. Okay, or we've gotten hold of. Some of it's Creative Commons stuff that's out there and royalty free available. Other stuff is stuff that we've actually licensed ourselves to use. Okay, so you've got lots of different stuff there that you're going to be able to use. You're going to get access to our personal database absolutely free of charge. Now, all of those bonuses are going to be there available. They're instantly going to be made available to you when you pick up vsevolution through the link down below this YouTube video. Now, what I want to do is I want to fire over. Let's go over and talk to the product vendor, and they're going to give you a full demo of exactly how this system works so that you're able to profit with vsevolution. So whenever you're ready, guys, click that button down below, grab your copy of vsevolution, secure my custom bonuses, and I will see you on the next video. But for now, I'm going to hand you over to the product vendor, okay, and he's going to give you a full-on demo of exactly how you can profit with vsevolution. Bye for now.
vsevolution is a cloud-based app which will allow users to quickly discover trending, breakout and low competition phrases that they can quickly rank for at the top of Google, at the top of YouTube. Now, on top of that, users can also extract all of the ranking factors, all of the ranking details they need in order to rank their videos. And these factors are extracted from successful videos, so videos that already exist. Essentially, it's copy and swiping those details to use in your own campaigns. And lastly, for those who don't have their own videos and don't have the skills or applications to make new videos, we've included 2 video makers. So in this quick demonstration video, I'm going to take you through the app and show you how it works. So in order to create a new campaign, we simply click here, we name it, we'll call this one diet. We enter a seed keyword or phrase here, and then change these filters here. So we can search through different country searches. We can choose a time period. I'm going to set this time period as 30 days, and we can choose what kind of search the application carries out for you. So I'm just going to select web search and then click search now. Now you can see that the software is searching the web based on the keyword diet, United States, and for the last 30 days. And you can see here that it shows you some of the results, and it also shows you long tail results which are related to the main keyword here. Now in category, users can instantly see the phrases that are growing in popularity over this time period. So for example, this keyword here has grown 2,200% in the last 30 days. if you come across breakout, what that means is that this phrase has grown in popularity by over 5,000% in the last 30 days, or whatever period that you've entered here in the filter. And then under difficulty rank, you can see that we have a color-coded scoring system. So anything that's colored green is going to be relatively easy to rank for. So if we chose this keyword, for example, we can see that it has over 5,000% increase in search in popularity in the last 30 days. And it's also going to be relatively easy to rank for. So you can instantly see the kind of phrases that you're going to be able to rank for very quickly. And by using a combination of the two, so growth in popularity and low competition, easy to rank, we know that we're going to be able to rank a video for this phrase or one of these phrases, and it's going to be popular, i.e. it's going to get lots and lots of views. Now, just so I can show you here, so we have the green that scored 10. Blue is medium, so it's not going to be as easy as a green to rank for. And obviously red is going to be a lot harder to rank for. So if we were to say easy, medium, difficult. So for this example, I'm going to choose this one here. And the next step is to click search video data. Now this is where we extract the data for our own video. So if we already have a number of videos in this niche, we can take all of that data and then we can use it in those videos. So let's scroll down here. Let's say that I wanted to use that one there and that one there. So all I need to do is click on the videos that I want to extract from, do that, and here I can export all of the data. For example, if I do have a lot of videos in this niche and I don't want to make additional videos, all I need to do is export everything that I've extracted from these two videos and click export, and I can download all of that and use that in my own videos. Now if you don't have a video of your own, what you can do is click here, so add video data, and then create a video.